Good morning, friends and traders. Actually, good afternoon, friends and traders. Time now is 1:15 p.m. I'm creating a long position in Bank Nifty. Let me show you how. So at this level, I have created a long position. Talking about our stop loss and target. See, this would not be our stop loss, obviously, because it has come here recently and even just now. So our stop loss will be below this zone. Okay, somewhere here. Okay, and before this zone. And talking about our target would be the day high or even little up above that. See, there is a gap filling level here that can be our target. So this would be our target, friends. That's bringing us to a good 1.1 is to 2.48 risk to reward ratio. We can increase our target a little. So I think this would be a good stop loss, because if it comes and hits our stop loss, the possibility of it hitting this level will be very high. Once it hits this level, then the low would be very high. That would be a trend reversal situation only. Okay, so we are here at 1 is to 1.75 risk to reward ratio. So our position was at 34,369. We are expecting a target of 34,680. That is close to 300 points from here. And our stop loss is 34,192. Okay, which is close to 150 points down. Okay, so let's wait and see how this performs, traders. So friends, while this time lapse is completed, let me tell you, a long position or a buy position can be created in three simple ways. First way, you can buy a future of the stock or the underlying asset. You can buy the future. And the second way is you can sell a put option of that particular stock or the underlying asset. And last but not the least, the third way is you can buy a call option of that particular stock or underlying asset. In all the three ways that I have just told you, we are going to create a long position or a buy position, which means if the market or the stock that you have created a buy position goes up, is when you will make money. That is when you will be in profit. I hope that is very, very clear here. So friends, I have taken an exit at this point. I was in another call, so I was not able to record then. So let me tell you why we took an exit here, and also let me also tell you why we took the trade in the first place. Okay, so look at this, friends. If I draw a Fibo, okay, from the bottom, which is here, to the top, okay, we are at 38.2 levels. the possibility of going up from here is the maximum. Okay, now you would say that the trade ended up in a stop loss here, and there is nothing wrong in saying that. I would say it is absolutely fine that you say that the trade ended in the stop loss. But did we take an exit there? You might have seen in the entire recording, I have not taken a move. I have not even moved my mouse when it went here. Okay. Now what is important is, at that time when it was going down till here or even till here, I was able to see this channel clearly. And when the channel is downwards, which side is the breakout? 90% of the time, traders, make a note of this, 90% of the time the breakout is on the upper side when the channel is downward channel. And that's exactly what happened here. There was an upward breakout and it continued to move here. Our target was much higher here, but did we wait for that target? The answer is no. And why? Because I could see this was a resistance which was little difficult for us to achieve or go above this resistance because there is a gap here. So what we took, we checked if we are meeting 1:1 as our target, and the answer is yes, we were about 1:1. So we took an exit there, and from there Bank Nifty fell down. There is another reason why we took an exit here. Okay, for that reason I'll have to bring up the chart for Nifty. Okay, let me bring up the chart for Nifty to give you the second reason. Okay, this is a chart for Nifty and I am putting it on 1 minute. So see, Nifty also did not touch the high. So if you'll notice, Nifty did not even make this down. I mean, it did not even cross this. If you compare it with Bank Nifty, it has gone below this area already, this particular support line. That is the reason we decided to take an exit here itself at 1:1. Okay, bottom line is we could capture around how much? 369 to 549, which is around 200 points here. Yes, if you look at it, our stop loss was before that, but because of this lower downward channel, which was expected to break out upside, we stayed in the trade. How much time were we below our stop loss? Probably from here to here. This is how much? 5 minutes. Within this 5 minutes, it again caught up till here. It made a double bottom kind of structure and went up straight. This is exactly what we were waiting for. Okay, I hope you understood the reason why we waited in this trade, the reason why we took the trade at 38.2, and how we made money in this particular trade. And there is another reason why we took the trade here, friends. See, since the morning, okay, even this Bank Nifty is continuously in what trend? This is upward trend. Then it retraced a little, went up again, retraced again. From here we were expecting it to go up, but did it go from here? No, it retraced a lot till here. This is what is more than something called healthy retracement. From here it went up till here, and there is again a scope that I see for it to continue the trend. See, if it had come below this 68.9 level twice or thrice, it would have stuck here for some time. Then I would have expected it to go down. But you see, here it was there for a very small period of time, and then it continued its journey upwards. And that is the reason we stayed in the trade and eventually made some profit. Okay, so basically there were three reasons. One, Bank Nifty since morning is in uptrend. That is reason number one. Two, we were at 38.2 levels. That is reason number two. Reason number three is Nifty was also supporting Bank Nifty, which I showed you just some time back. See, this was also continuously an uptrend, followed by a retracement and uptrend again. Okay, so that is exactly what we were looking for when we took the trade, and that is how we made the profit. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe so that I can make more such videos in future. Thanks for watching, guys.